What is going on, traders? What an absolutely beautiful day for us in the Discord. Another streak, right? We're up 5-0 for the week. I told you guys about our last win streak at 15-1. We have currently started a new winning streak, and we are currently up 5-0. We took 3 trades today, and we won all 3. Tesla puts, us in the Discord, we jumped into Tesla puts. We jumped into 202.5 strike puts for April 17th at 6.70. We trimmed profit at around 9.35. Currently holding some runners heading into the rest of this week. We'll see how that plays out. And then we also did IWM puts. We jumped in at 2.15, and then we trimmed some profit at 3.31, and then ultimately ended up taking profit at 4.61 for about 250 per contract. So congratulations Discord members as well on that. We also did Apple calls. April 17th strike calls for 190 with a 190 strike at 6.00. And we took profit at 6.50. So a quick little in and out trade right there. Winners tab. I mean, beautiful day for us. Beautiful, absolute beautiful day for us. This guy right here, he's been killing it. We've been going back and forth in the DMs, and he shows me his profit all the time. Really appreciate this guy here. Up 1K for today, up more than 1K actually, right? This guy right here, always killing it as usual. He took our Tesla puts. He did a different strike, 210 strike, made $500 off of that. 600 off triple Qs, 400 off AMD. So congratulations to him as well. This guy right here took profit on our Tesla puts. He made $315 off of that. You know, so it keeps going. It just keeps going. And then this is me for the week. This is how much I'm up for the week so far. Take it or leave it. And then this guy right here, he's up $200 for the day. Congratulations to him as well. So it just keeps going, guys. Another beautiful day in the Discord. You are missing out. We are currently on a win streak. If you want to be part of that win streak, you better join. Link will be in the description below. So let's get into it. So right now we are looking at the SPY. The market is still open. I want to get this video out the way because I have somewhere to be tonight. But right now we are looking at the SPY. Let's go to the daily time frame. So we're just going to knock this out, okay? Your key level. Okay, your key level is 490 on the SPY. Why I don't have it marked, I don't know. But 490 is your key level on the SPY. If you get below 490, okay, lock in. If you get below 490 on the SPY, the floodgates to 460s is officially open. Okay, all the way down here where these guys are. If you get below 490 and hold on the SPY, you open up the floodgates to 460s, 465, 467, more or less. Triple Qs. All right, triple Qs. If you manage to get below 407 on the triple Qs and hold, okay, keyword is hold, you open up the floodgates to 380. We could say 400 is our psych level. That's completely fine. But ultimately, if you get below 407 on the triple Qs, you are heading, there's a chance, I shouldn't say you are, there is a chance that you are heading towards 380. All right, so it's not looking good. Okay, it's not looking good. Let's go over Tesla. Okay, Tesla 220 is your key level. The market is still open, by the way. Tesla, your key level here is 220. If Tesla gives up 220, all right, your next level is 215. After 215, you can free fall to 180. Okay, or at least you open up the floodgates to 180. 220 was it just broke below 220. We'll see if it holds, but yes, you can head as low as 180 on Tesla. Yes, I am still holding my shares. I do not care. Yes, I am still holding my shares on Apple. Completely fine with this. Okay, it's a long-term investment, guys, because I know there's going to be a troll in the comments like, oh, you're down on Apple. Yeah, whatever. All right, so it is what it is. But Apple, 165 is your next target at this point. 165. Yes, I plan on buying more Apple shares. My average is at like 140, so I'm completely fine with this drop on Apple. I don't have an average on Tesla because I just started investing into Tesla, but yes, I do plan on investing more into these stocks. I'm going to take these discounts, all right? So Apple 165 is your key level. If we look at quant data and see what institutions are doing, right? I meant to talk about this in the last video. Whether you believe me or not is really up to you. I posted it in the Discord. I just forgot to talk about it. April 7th, this was yesterday, 5 minutes after close, institutions loaded up April 17th puts on the SPY with a strike of 478. 478. They were loaded at 507.27. They were at the ask, so that means they bought, and the premium was 8.29 million. Sentiment is bearish. IWM, we took IWM today. made a nice little bag off of that. But institutions also jumped into IWM puts 3 minutes after close yesterday. April 17th was the expiration, 171 was the strike, and then they were loaded up at 180. So we got into IWM puts at around 183. Congratulations to Discord members on that, right? As far as today, I'm not sure if anything significant happened today. Let me double check. So Netflix getting a lot of attention. I did put out a trade idea on Netflix, and I jumped into 850 puts on Netflix when it was at like 910. Netflix is currently like at 860s right now, so I'm up a lot on those contracts. SPY, as you guys can see, institutions sold these SPY puts actually, right? And then there was another play I was looking at, but I can't seem to find it. Triple Qs, you got 365. Nope, that's not it. Okay, I'm trying to find it. Bear with me here. 474 puts, they were loaded at 3:14 Eastern time today. April 17th was the expiration, and then they were loaded at 497. So these guys are absolutely making a bag. I think they sold this position. Really tough to say, but I'm assuming they sold this position because it pops up again at 497.12. So yeah, there's not really much happening today. Interesting enough, MSTR, someone loaded up MSTR puts with a 230 strike. This was loaded at 254, so feel free to check that out. That could be an indication that Bitcoin is about to tank. Expiration is May 2nd, so yeah, MSTR looking like it's going to tank pretty soon. But yeah, I mean, beautiful day for us in the Discord. We are Tesla. We're still holding Tesla runners, and Tesla's at 218. We got in at around 231. I want to say 230, 231. We got into pushing around that, and right now we are making an absolute bag on that. So yeah, Netflix. I am in 850 puts on Netflix. Nice little head and shoulders pattern here. Daily time frame. You broke below the head and shoulders. You're currently breaking back below the neckline, I should say. So you originally broke below the neckline, and now you're breaking back below it. I jumped in at 9 when Netflix was around 910, and yeah, haven't looked back since. So beautiful day for us in the Discord. Link will be in the description below. If you guys have any questions or any comments in regards to what's happening today, let me know your thoughts. Do you think we're going to continue to see more downside? Again, I've been saying that the short-term bottom is in. We pumped all the way from 480 on the SPY all the way to 525. I will take that as a win. Triple Qs, you pumped all the way from 400 all the way up to about 440, 444, 440. I do think we're going to see more downside. I think that goes without saying. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to see that. And I think we can head as low. If the SPY gives up 490, you can head as low as the 460s. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comments below. Until the next video, traders, have a good one.